Cassper Nyovest to guest judge on Idol's SA. Get your singing voice ready, because rapper Cassper Nyovest has joined the hunt for the next SA Idol, with a guest appearance on the hit reality TV music competition Idol's SA. The popular show returns to screens tonight with Mufasa as its first guest judge. The news was announced by Idol's SA on social media this week. Cassper will join the regular panel of judges: Randall Abrahams, Anathan K, and Samazi. The episode looks like it is going to be lit with blemishes, tear-jerking performances, and even a dropped weave. Cassper shared the post and joked about singing without auto-tune. Obs fans thought it was a sub at his rival Arco, who uses auto-tune in his music, but Cassper dodged the claim. How? Why are you guys excited about the auto-tune part of the video? He asked. The premiere of the new season of Idol's SA was delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In a statement, the show explained that they have now taken every safety precaution to make sure that contestants are safe and lockdown regulations adhered to. All the requisite health guidelines will be put in place ahead of all the live shows, and the cast and crew will ensure that social distancing, sanitizing of hands, and venues with adequate ventilation will be used for this year's showpiece. Yeah.